Hi, it's Steve. In this video, we'll show you how to locate and clean the filter in your air conditioner. The efficiency and performance of your air conditioner is highly dependent on the condition of that filter. We'll show you some of the different types of filters and how to clean them properly. Now, regardless of whether you have a window type air conditioner, a wall mount, or a portable unit, they all use filters. How the air conditioner works is it draws room air through the front of the air conditioner, which passes through an evaporator coil where the air is chilled, and then it is expelled through an exhaust vent back into the room. If the filters on your air conditioner are dirty, it will decrease the airflow through the evaporator coil and affect the performance. Newer style air conditioners use a filter that is made of a plastic mesh in a rigid plastic frame. Older styles may use a foam type of air filter, and some of them use a fiber type material as well. In all cases, they do need to be kept clean so that you can maintain optimum performance from your air conditioner. Now, for wall mount and window mount air conditioners, you typically just need to remove the front panel to access that filter. There are often indicator arrows to tell you where to release the tabs. Tilt that down and out of the way. We should also clean that as well. Simply use a soapy water solution. Next, we'll remove the filter. As you can see, that needs to be cleaned as well. Again, with this style of filter, we typically would use a soapy water solution, clean it thoroughly, rinse it thoroughly, and then allow it to completely dry before you put it back in the air conditioner. If you're unable to get it thoroughly clean, you may wish to replace it. Now, on the increasingly popular portable air conditioning units, the air filter is typically located on the back. Once you access the back of the unit, you simply need to detach the housing or grill. That will expose the filter. You simply need to pop that out. Now, with the filter removed, the typical plastic mesh in a plastic frame. Now, if you find that filter is really heavily soiled or the dirt on it is quite grimy, again, you would allow that to soak for a period of time in soapy water. And then we suggest taking a soft bristled brush, something like a paintbrush, and then brush that gently to loosen up the rest of that dirt. Rinse it again thoroughly and allow it to dry. If you're unable to get them clean, you will need to replace it. Now, quite often you'll find on these portable units that there be a separate filter on the back as well. Some of them simply snap out, others require removing a fastener. Again, it is a plastic mesh and a plastic frame type of filter. We can dislodge that from the grill and wash it in the normal manner. Once they're washed and rinsed thoroughly, allow them to completely dry, and then we can reinstall them. Thank you so much for watching this video. We certainly hope that it was helpful to you, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.